Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just picked 3 nice ripe Zingarellas off the tree, and I noticed a couple more. It's really starting to produce. The figs are swelling up, and no critters have noticed the figs yet, luckily. So I noticed this one here, which has the fig honey dripping out of it. And it's almost like when you make candy and you melt sugar and then it cools. It's sort of like the pine sap, but it's just like candy. Look at that. It doesn't even, starting to droop a little bit, but that shows you, I think that's an indication of the sugar content. And then there's another one down there in the back. I'll grab that one. Now, another thing about this variety, this one fig here is making me out a liar, but I've been watering these like every day. I think it's also consistency. If you let it dry out and then you really water it, you might get some splits, but it seems to resist splitting. But this one here has split, and that's the air layer that I'm starting, which, by the way, I need to remove. It's just been so hot. Today's going to be like 94. It's like, I don't know, 78% humidity, 68, what is it, 68 dew point or something like that. But we're going to have a cold front come through, and it's going to be in the 70s after today. But yeah, this fig seems to resist. Whoa, that just fell into my hand. So look at that, blocked with fig honey. And a plane right on time. So you can see the color of this. It's got the cracking here. It's sort of a reddish tint on this side, but it gets a darker color. So this one here isn't ready yet. Maybe another day or two. I think the ripening will slow down a little bit with the more seasonal temperatures. But yeah, that one there split. But for the most part, that's the only one. And I just soaked this morning. So let's go take a look at the plate of figs that I have. Oh, and real quick, I wanted to point out this. This is more prone to splitting. And this is a UC Davis Black Madeira. Now, look at the size of these figs here. This one here is going to be huge. Got another one there. So a couple more days, I might have a plate of Black Madeira. Waiting for this one here, although it seems to be a healthier plant, and I'm thinking is from Encanto Farms version. It's behind. So, those figs, it could be by the end of September that I start seeing those turn. Even this one here, this is another UC Davis, and it just has one there. It's smaller, but this one here is really, oh, this one here is starting to change too. And the helicopter's on time. And this is an air layer Black Madeira. They're starting to turn. Oh, there's one starting to turn here. Yeah, speaking of splitting, here's a Black Madeira, and it has split green. So, maybe I need to be a little bit more careful with the watering on this, but it was dried out. This is starting to turn. But yes, you can see this Black Madeira has split and it's green. Alright, so I got 5 Zingarella figs here. This seems to be the largest. Kind of heavy. What was the last one I measured? 75 grams. Let's see how much this one weighs. Nice cracking. Just really soft. All right, let's weigh it. 55 grams. Huh. Gee, that's surprising. Let's weigh this. Oh, that's off a little bit. Let's zero that. It's not a completely flat surface. $60 grams. Let's weigh this one. 50. 45. It's a smaller one. 30. And 35. Okay, let's take a look inside this large one here. Wow. A nice presentation here. Let's cut this one open. Maybe this was the larger one. Wow. Look at the syrup in there. That's incredible. Okay, let's give it a try, but I already know it's going to be great. You can see how soft and pliable this is. Wow, that is good. So this is New England Gardening with a plate full of Zingarella and a lot more to follow. Thanks for watching.